we'll talk about feeding the whole new line for the brake wear sensor. And it goes over these little clips down through here, down through some clips here on the back, a clip here. It goes down through the frame and the hole. It has some clips underneath. It goes through some clips over here and goes back into the boxes all the way back up there, which is going to be a little bit hard to see, honestly, with my quick jack in the way. But you can see it if you stick your head under there. So go ahead and take your rotor off. Put the new one on, put the caliper frame back on and torque it down, and we'll walk through the rest. All right, so here we are inside the wheel well. You can see the rotors on, and yeah, obviously these are just you know, flat steel rotors, cross-drilled and vented and all that. You know, there's a million opinions about that, and I've put all kinds of different kinds on, and for this particular car, they don't need anything that fancy. So, all right, so as you can see, your brake wear sensor goes through a whole series of clips, down through the hole in frame here, underneath through a series of clips. Now, this is going to be kind of hard to see. I'm going to do my best. It's also kind of crusty back here, too, but you can see kind of where that white is, all the way back there. Right there, you've got another one of those boxes like we did on the front, which is why I did the front first. You can also see it fits into more clips here. So you're gonna have to get underneath, hit all of those clips, open the box, pull the little locking tab on the end of the clip right there, pull it, and it'll come out. And then you can take the new one and run it all up, all the way through, and replace it all the way up here with the new one.